What's up, technicians? Welcome to Respect the Technique, where we celebrate the greatest thing in the world, techniques. Techniques are refined, specific actions that help us accomplish tasks. They can't simply be learned like facts. They have to be demonstrated, observed, tried and failed, practiced, and mastered over time. They're the solution to all of our problems and the cause of about half of them. I'm your host, Paul. The field I'm the most advanced in is culinary arts, and I'm going to teach cooking techniques, but we're going to feature a lot of great experts teaching all kinds of techniques from all kinds of different disciplines. Here's the first one, how to peel carrots. Okay, so this method is the one I learned in culinary school. It feels a little bit awkward at first, but there's definitely a method behind the madness, which is that you go along the entire length of the carrot in one stroke, so you don't have to do one end and turn it around and do the other end. The way I hold it there, it keeps my thumb and fingers completely out of the way so that I can go pretty fast. But what it does also, and the reason that you hold it like this and peel towards yourself, is that I'm putting sort of a frame, some stability behind the end of the carrot, so it's supported all the way out throughout the stroke of the peeler. If I hold it the other way, it's hanging out over midair, or I have to lay it down on a surface or something to have stability behind the carrot. So if you want to go fast and also do a good job in a quick order, this is the best way to do it. This is the way you peel a potato. It's a little bit different, but most things that are sort of oblong that you got to peel, this is the better way to do it. And I recommend that you try it. It might feel a little bit awkward at first, and it's going to take some reps, but such is true with a lot of techniques. So here's sort of a different angle. You can see there's a little bit of a turn. Every time I do a stroke, there's a slight turn, and I'm just slightly overlapping the previous cut, so that I peel the entire length of the carrot one stroke at a time and don't have to turn it back around and find the spot that I missed and go over it again. When you're peeling hundreds and hundreds of carrots in a row, it's definitely the most efficient way to go about it. Now here's how you do it the wrong way. See, it's like you can't really hold it and keep your thumb out of the way to peel it from the other end, so you got to grab it with your fist, and you can only peel half of it or part of it at once. And see how the end of the carrot dips down a lot with the pressure? Yeah, there's no stability behind it. Same thing here. It's bending on me. I have to go over the same part more than once because it's bending. And it's missing. The blade is missing part of the stroke. Okay. But this way, so you can go pretty fast. Peel a carrot in a matter of seconds. Now I'm probably going to make some soup with all these carrots. I think tomorrow I might make a video on how to make stock. And then I'll make a simple pureed carrot soup, which is really delicious. And I might even show a variation or two on it. So you can make this basic simple carrot soup base, which has got great flavor and great color, and then you can add some other ingredients to it and make a really spectacular looking vegetable soup or anything. You can use that basic carrot soup base and put all manner of other ingredients in there. So here at the end, we just cut the ends off. Notice that the peeling technique took us all the way from one end of the carrot to the other. We're not wasting anything. We're just cutting off the very tips and the very end, and we're utilizing all of our product. Most culinary, knife work techniques and stuff keep that in mind. We don't want to waste anything. We peel an onion or what have you. We don't want to be throwing away usable pieces of the vegetable. So you see, those are all very small cuts I'm taking right off the end. Get rid of that. And that's it. There you go. Peeled carrots. No problem. I recommend you get some carrots and try it out. Thanks very much for watching, technicians. Much love. We'll see you on the next one.